bought it from Nykaa. The brand name is Feel Good Club. So this is newly available in Nykaa, I think. And also this brush is very affordable in price. I bought these brushes for 99 rupees each, and also it retails for 100 to 125 rupees. I have picked 5 base brushes for my base makeup and also one blender, but in this video I am not using this beauty blender. Further I will definitely show you how this beauty blender is working. So without any further delay, let's begin the video. I have already moisturized my face. I am going to apply primer here. I am using Maybelline Fitness Dewy Finish Primer because here very windy climate, so my face is feeling dry after applying a moisturizer, so I am using this one. Today I am going to use mostly my left hand because I am having some issue on my right arm, so I can't pressurize my arm to apply these things, so I am using my left hand. Some people might be asked why you are using your left hand. For them I am explaining, that's it. So yeah, here I am having 5 brushes, so let's start with the buffer brush. Okay. So today I am going to use this Mars Foundation High Coverage, which is most viral foundation in my channel. So the shade is 08, which is last shade available in this variant. Again I'm telling, this is a high coverage foundation and also this will oxidate to shades. Today I chose this foundation because I have already told this is a windy climate. My face feels very dry even after moisturizer, sunscreen and all, and also serum. So let's start with this buffer brush. Let's see how this will gonna blend. Okay, I'm gonna take the product and this brush. So I took 2 pump and also I didn't correct any pigmented area because it's a high coverage foundation, so I'm gonna apply directly on my face. So let's see how this brush gonna do their job. Okay. Okay, the application is, I like it. Don't be surprised that the shade is very light for me. This will oxidize a lot. I have already told in my many Mars foundation videos, so wait and see. When you drag like this will give some stroke line because this is not dense enough. But when you apply in a dabbing motion, this will give a super finishing effect. We can't complain, right? For just 99 rupees, this is a good brush for beginners actually. Can you see my face? How my face oxidized a lot. अभी मैं फाउंडेशन एप्लीकेशन पूरा कंप्लीट किया ही नहीं, उससे पहले ही ऑक्सीडाइज होने लग गया, देखो, right? Now for concealer, here I am using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in shade 35 Deep, which is a bit lighter for me, so I am going to apply on my under eye area. Bit on my nose, bridge of nose. Application टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो रहा है because of my left hand. Please ignore that. To blend this concealer, I am having one blending brush with me. This is a blending brush, that's it. So let's blend it. यार ये लेफ्ट में बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है, अभी मैं इस साइड राइट यूज़ करूँगी। But this is a good blending brush to blend on this area. It won't hurt your skin. Yeah, I think this is good for blending. Now it's time to apply loose powder. So for that I am having this huge powder brush. See? Very fluffy. Okay, for the loose powder today I am using this Maybelline Fitness Medium Dip 30, which is not exact shade for me, but still it works on my skin. And also today I have applied this foundation, so this is oxidizing, so this loose powder gonna match with this oxidized foundation. So let's apply it. So I'm taking this much of loose powder. So here it is. I really love this loose powder actually. This will give a long lasting super makeup for oily skin. This is the best loose powder for oily skin, but we don't have that much shade range in this. We have to do a mix match with the shades or compacts. Actually, but all the Maybelline products are great. I literally like all the Maybelline products. अभी तक के ब्रश में से मुझे पाउडर ब्रश ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा क्योंकि this even out my skin with this loose powder. It works great. Now it's time to apply contour. I'm having an angled brush in this range. Here is the angled brush. I'm gonna use this for blush and also for contour. First I'm going to apply a contour, powder contour, which I'm having right now with me is, again it's from Mars, the City Paradise palette. In this I'm having a Delhi variant. Here is the contour, powder contour. So let's take some of the contour powder which works on my skin tone. Let's do it. Little bit on my outer perimeter, forehead. Contouring is done, so I'm going to apply the blush. For blush here I'm using Sun Kisser from Maybelline, again it's Maybelline, and the shade is Berry Branch 33, which is a great shade for dusky brown skins. If you want to try in a liquid blush for long lasting or for a natural look, then this is a good option. I'm just gonna place 1, 2, 1, 2. This side again I'm using this angular brush to blend this out. Little bit I'm taking this on my eye edges because this is actually a very beautiful pink. So we also have the same way. I'm taking this blush on my eye edges. Again blending problem with my left hand. How beautiful this blush is. I really like it, so I'm taking this into my eyelids. This is enough. which is mainly used to contour your nose. Let's blend some shade with this angular brush. So again I'm taking this Lily palette from Mars. Okay, let's apply this Kutab shade. I'm taking with this angular brush. See? Okay, I think this is enough for eyes. Now I'm taking this Nika's Glamour pencil, which is in shade Copper. I'm going to apply this on eyelids. Hello Havas, switch off. ऐसे लग रहा है मैं लेफ्ट हैंड चैलेंज कर रही हूँ. कर सकते हो लेफ्ट हैंड मेकअप. So next video is, वैसे तो कर सकते हो. So next video will be like, yeah, I'm gonna do a left hand makeup challenge. इस वीडियो में थोड़ा बहुत राइट हैंड यूज किया है मैंने. So next video में only left hand. Again here I'm having Maybelline Curl Mascara, Hyper Curl Mascara. ये होता है लेफ्ट हैंड का नतीजा. See? थोड़ा बहुत आईब्रोज में भी जुगाड़ होता है ये सब. Brows are clear now. I need to remove this. Wow, let's remove. Final touch for my face. And also I have done my hair in off cam, and I have applied my lip liner in the off cam, which is from Miss Class Maroon lip liner. Okay, for lipstick, I'm having two options here. First I'm going with the Zudio's Berry Soft Berry shade. Now I'm going to apply this NY Base Peppy Pearson shade. This is a beautiful nude pink. So yeah guys, this is my full makeup look with this new brushes from Feel Good Club. Actually, yeah, it's a pretty good brush, and my most favorite brush is this powder brush from this range. Actually works flawless. And the second favorite is this blending brush. And I also like this angular brush and this buffer brush. Actually I'm liking all the brush. So yeah, this is a great pick for this price range. Actually I have picked this for 99 each. I'll mention in the description, you can check it out from there, and I'll tag all the brushes in my product tag, and also I'll give a link in the description. You can also pick it from there. If you are a beginner, then this is a great option for your base makeup.